Welcome to the Evangelical Eddie channel. Wanted to give an update on John MacArthur's health. So a couple of weeks ago, Steve Lawson from MacArthur's church spoke from the pulpit that John MacArthur wasn't preaching and that he was getting a procedure done. It was an aortic valve replacement, and the good news is John MacArthur himself appeared last week and spoke about it.
You've been out of the pulpit for a few weeks, and so it's good to see you. Maybe an update. We all are just we're glad you're here, MacArthur.
Well, I'm glad to be here. Excuse me. I've gone through some heart procedures, as you know. The latest one was a valve replacement, which was highly successful. But like anything, you got a brand new valve in a very old person. I've literally been overwhelmed with grace upon grace, incalculable grace. Don't have the strength to do a couple of Sunday morning sermons.
Well, Mac, we appreciate the update, even on the physical things, because I was talking to some new students this morning, and their testimonies and their presence here has so much to do with your ministry in their lives. And all of us have that same testimony. So you're in our prayers as you continue to recover and work back towards that pulpit.
So for those of us who were wondering, is this the final surgery that's going to cause Dr. MacArthur to step down from the pulpit in his preaching ministry? It sounds like the answer is no. As long as his health holds up and the Lord wills it, he is going to continue and get back into the pulpit, which is great to hear. Here's his final words on a good perspective on the fact that it's really in God's hands.
I am not under any illusions about my mortality. So I don't know how much time the Lord is going to give me. Far better to depart and be with Christ, but if it's more needful to be here, I'm incredibly blessed to be here.